Hello everyone, this is Timothy and Lisa with the Home Hunters, and we're going to show you 3 houses today. And the first one is in Hill City, Kansas. It's $89,000. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 1238 square feet. It was built in 1920, and it's been on the market for only 14 hours. And the listing agent is Jeanette Krizek. 785-678-7163 is her phone number. If you have any questions, give her a call.
Now we can take a look at the house, see what it looks like. Oops. It's pretty cool looking on the outside. It has some shutters out here.
I like the front door. You know, it looks really pretty with all the panes in it.
Yeah, I like that too. And these triple windows in the front are nice also.
Cute little porch with railing.
Yeah, it is a nice porch. It does have a 1-car garage here on the left side of the house. There are sidewalks in this neighborhood also. And here is the main living area with laminate flooring. You see those triple windows in the front or in the living area. And here's your hallway with some extra storage. And here's our first bedroom, most likely the master bedroom. It's carpeted in here. It does have a door, a full glass door.
It's a pretty door.
Yeah. This would be your bathroom right here. It does have a shower tub combo. Looks like it has vinyl flooring in here. It's an interesting little piece of wood up here. It's a feature.
Yeah. It's kind of like a cornice.
Hide your shower curtain, yeah.
Yeah.
And here would be the second bedroom. Looks like it has hardwood flooring in this room. There's a couple of windows. Here's a kitchen area. You have a window over your sink, and you have some white appliances in here, a white stove and a microwave.
It's like is that a black dishwasher back there?
Yeah, you have a black dishwasher too, yeah.
It kind of blended in. I didn't see it at first.
It did blend in, yeah. And here, I don't know what this room is. It does have the breaker box in here and the attic access and some extra storage space also. And here is the main utility area, utility room. There's some laminate flooring in here. I do like this laminate.
That's nice.
It is, yeah.
And it's got a rustic look to it.
It does, yeah. And here's the back of the house. You do have the back porch area, covered back porch.
That's nice.
It is nice. Pretty big deck area too.
Yeah, usually these houses you just walk out the door and you're right there in the yard. It's nice to have a little covered area.
Yeah, it is.
Deck area.
It is nice, yeah. Looks like this fence is on the newer side also.
It does. Yeah. It just needs some grass to grow out there.
Yeah.
Which will happen.
It'll
a couple more months or so.
Here's a 2-car garage that comes with the property also. It's on the side of the house over here. And here's the inside of it.
Wow.
It's a very nice, good quality garage. Looks very clean in here. It doesn't look old either, does it?
No, it looks newer.
It does.
The wood looks newer.
This has a lot of value to the home.
Like I said, this looks, like I said on another video, this looks big enough to be a house.
It sure does, yeah. Looks like this is a back room in the garage also. Here's a loft area. I'm not sure if it's the loft area of the garage or not. Probably. I bet it is. Okay, let's see where it's located on the map. It is in the more northwest part of Kansas. It's west of Topeka in Kansas City. And it's east of Denver, Colorado. It's close to small towns like Norton, Oakley, and Colby. Here it is on street view here. You can see the sidewalks going down the street this way. This person next to you has a lot of land in front of their house, you know?
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
It's a nice house next to you.
It is nice. Well, very well kept, isn't it?
It is. Here's your neighbors over here across the street from you. And on this side also. Here. Okay, now we can move on to the next property, but before we do, I want to ask everybody to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out and it helps the algorithm. We'd really appreciate that. Now the next house is listed at $80,000 and it's on 548 West 5th Street in Booneville, Arkansas. It has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 816 square feet. It was built in 1960 and it's on 1/3 of an acre. It is located in the heart of Booneville, has a cozy living area with a lot of natural light, has an eating area in the kitchen, and it's just a few blocks from the elementary school. It does have a new roof with agricultural shingles and exterior painted in 2025. Architectural shingles, sorry. Architectural shingles, I think that's what that is. Also a new storage building, 8x12 with a loft to be behind the home.
Behind the
Behind the home. Yeah, written like that. Behind. It's been on the market for 25 days, and it was listed by Bonnie Gayer. Phone number 479-322-2503 with Keller Williams Platinum Realty. Now we can look at the photos of it.
Well, first thing I wanted to say is I really love the color of this house. It's like a sage green.
It was freshly painted.
So pretty. I like that color of green. It's a happy spring look.
Yeah. It has architectural shingles.
Not agricultural.
Not agricultural, no. Got a lot of windows on the home too. Here's the main living area with laminate flooring. It does have 4 big windows in here.
It's a tiny little room.
It is. It's a small house.
It is.
Here's your eating area in the kitchen.
That's cute. Looks cozy, doesn't it?
It's a cozy house. It's small, but it's cozy.
Little back door back there. It's cozy.
And here's your kitchen. You can see it a little better here.
Oh, I love the windows above the sink.
I like these windows, yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And they have a gas stove.
They do, yeah. You can see the living room through here.
Somebody's standing there.
Yeah. She's camouflaged. I actually didn't see her the first time I was looking at these photos. And here,
it's like she accidentally got in the picture, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, yeah. Here's the refrigerator over here too, a white refrigerator. Here's the first bedroom. Also has laminate flooring in this room. Yeah, this is a really cozy house. Looks to be in very good quality.
Yeah.
Everything looks newer or very clean at least, you know.
You
do have a shower tub combo in here. And here's the second bedroom, which has laminate flooring in this room also. Double windows. Here's the outside of the property again, the back of it. You can see it does have a storage shed out here. Okay, let's see where it's located on the map now. It is just southeast from Fort Smith, and it is northwest of Little Rock. It's also pretty far north of Texarkana. Some small towns area like Ozark, Paris, and Waldron. Here it is on street view. It was taken in November of 2023. You have your parking here. 1-car carport.
I like all those trees around there.
I like it too, yeah. Next door neighbors over here. Looks very nice in the fall time, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. Looks like a quiet neighborhood from what I can see by this view, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Looks like people would be pretty quiet.
Okay, now we can move on to the next property, the third property for today. Here it is. It's listed at $84,900. It's on 1047 Pleasant Hope Road in Lumberton, North Carolina. It has 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 984 square feet. It's on about half an acre lot. It was built in 1970. Has an open floor plan, new carpet, fresh paint, and ready to move in. Covered front porch and country setting. Selling as is. It's been on the market for 4 days and it was listed by Amy H. Smith with Century 21, the real estate center. Now we can look at the photos of the house. You can see it's brick.
I like that railing on the front porch. It's very nice.
It is nice. It does have a 1-car carport here too.
The cat's about to meow.
Here's the back of the house here. Here's your main living area with looks like some newer carpeting in here. Double windows. Here's your kitchen area with laminate flooring. Looks really new and clean in here. You have a white stove and a white refrigerator. Window over your sink here too. It does have a little eating area too off the kitchen with double windows. And here is the main bathroom. This house does have 1 bathroom.
It's a nice vanity area.
It is nice.
Double sinks. Pretty countertop there. Pretty wood vanity there too.
It's true, yeah.
And it's got the ceramic tile flooring.
Looks like it has a tub here also. Probably a shower tub combo. Here's your first bedroom. Carpeting in here also. A couple of windows. Here's your second bedroom. I do wish they'd taken a slightly better photo of this room. It's a little close up. But you can see it's pretty similar to the first bedroom. Same kind of carpeting and windows. In your third bedroom here, you can see the closet. Same kind of carpeting in here, paint. And here's your covered carport here. Air conditioner, it looks like. Looks like you have some trees behind you too. And here is probably the utility room area. Looks like you have some dryer outlets here. Water heater also. Okay, let's check out where it is on the map. It is in the south part of North Carolina, near Whiteville, south of Fayetteville, southeast of Charlotte, and northwest of Wilmington. It's pretty close to the border. Okay, here's our street view here. Here's your paved driveway leading up to your carport up here. I'll just try to ignore the cars and things. They're not going to be there, you know. It's the current owners of the property, yeah, unless they come visit you, yeah. Got some trees on the property right here too. Across the street from you, you don't have anybody over here.
Very nice.
Nice piece of land across the street.
It is.
And there's a big house over here too. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's one of your neighbors.
That must be their land.
Must be, yeah.
I like that house.
I like it too, yeah.
I'll pay you $50,000 for it.
That's funny. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching the video. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos in the future. Have a nice day, everyone, and remember, your next home could be in the next video. Bye, everybody.
Bye.